Multiplicity is when a zero happens more than one time. If it's an even multiplicity, it's going to bounce off the axis and go forward. If it's an odd multiplicity, it's going to go through. So let's look at this first one here. X minus 2 equals 0, therefore x equals 2. So the x-intercept is at 0 or 2, 0. So there's my x-intercept. Because this is positive in a degree 2, it's going to end in the same direction. So it's going to end in the up direction. So what's going to happen is it's going to start here, it's going to hit that 0, and it's going to bounce back up. So even multiplicities bounce and go back. Whereas odd multiplicity, we have the same 0, it happens 3 times, and because it's an odd degree, it's going to end in opposite directions. And because this here is positive, it's going to look like a positive slope like this. So what's going to happen is it's going to start down, come through, and continue through the x-axis. So let's do one more. Let's look at our zeros first. So x minus 3 equals 0, therefore x equals 3. And I have a 0 at 3, 0. X plus 2 equals 0, therefore x equals negative 2, so I have a 0 at negative 2, 0. What else do we know? We know that this 0 happens 2 times and this 0 happens 3 times. I also know that if this is 3 and 2, that I have a degree 5, which means it's going to end in opposite directions, an odd degree opposite directions. Because there's no coefficients in the front to make it negative, it's going to be positive, so I know it's going to have, or it's going to start down here and it's going to end up here. Okay, so this first one here is going to go through, then it's going to turn and bounce. Now, at any point, I highly suggest putting it into your calculator so you can see what it looks like, but by rules of multiplicity, this was a 3, so it happened 3 times, so it went through. This happened 2 times, so it bounced and went in the same direction.